All right, next project we're tackling right now is the girls' coop. And it is looking a little dirty on the outside just from normal weather. And on the inside, well, it's a whole other story. Yuck. It's been a little bit, so we try and do this more on the regular, but some things have come up, and yeah, it's gotten a little bit filthy. So we're gonna take care of that. All right, waiting with the girls right now for the coop to dry. Just finished washing it. Got that part drying over there. And we have the nesting boxes right over there. And waiting on the coop to dry as well. Some girls are more excitable than others. Are you waiting for it to dry? Yeah, it's not together yet. There's nowhere to go. You can go on the bars. Coop's looking much better. White again for the most part. Except for the bars. Ooh, those bars have seen better days. But we're gonna give them a repaint probably in a month or so. Just touch it up. Got a couple of spots where paint's wearing through a little bit. So, but overall, The door's a lot better. And they just cannot wait to get in. Oh, wait, where'd she go? There she is. Are you waiting? All right, soon enough, soon enough. It's drying, all right? It's dry, yes, it's drying. It's drying, just another 10 minutes or so. It's a pretty hot summer, so even though it's sun's about to go down, it's pretty warm. I have no doubt that in the next 5 or 10 minutes, we'll have a dry coop. And that'll be before the sun goes down. So they will have a good night. And it's looking a little cleaner now. Better on the outside. And much better on the end. Got the walls cleaned off. Some new stuff in there. They sound happy in there. Let's see. Girls happy? Looking much better. Happy up there? Yeah, you look happy. All right. Looking much, much nicer. Job well done. Lock them up. And close them.